ever heard someone say, I don't chop, but you are standing there confused? Wait, you don't chop what? Hold up, let's clear up that confusion today. Because in Nigerian Pidgin, don does not mean don't. Today, I'm going to show you how to use don to show past tense in Pidgin. It is simple, straightforward, and straight from the streets. Let's go! Hi my people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Zeno. If it's your first time watching my YouTube video, we are half my people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How na day? This is your girl Zeno, your Pidgin bestie. This is a place where we sip our cold zobo with a sharp twist of asado pepper. Yes, I bring you sweet content we get vibe, content we go ginger you, content we go lift up your spirit. But we don't forget to take it in with our hot asado pepper. Yes, I like to emphasize on that hotness because we need the truth. Yes, so in this place we bring you Pidgin vibe, we laugh, we grow, we learn, but the truth, the asado pepper will help us stay woke. Yes, the unfiltered truth will help us grow, will help us level up, will help us get to where we want to get to. So if it's your first time watching my YouTube video, you are welcome. Drum rolls for you. And to each and every one of you who have been staying consistent watching all of my videos, I'm sending love from here right now. Yes, the love is massive, the love choke, because when they try for me, now they always they show up for me, now they always they like my videos. Shout out to all of you, and all of you, and I make this channel they grow, because without you and you, I for no day here today. So I swallow for now. In Pidgin English, don shows that something has already happened. It indicates something that has happened, an action that was already taking place. So it is past tense. Don. So instead of saying I have eaten, we say I don't chop. I don't chop. Don is spelled D-O-N. I don't chop. You see how they go? Make I give you some other examples. Here are some other examples. I don't wake. I don't wake. I have woken up. I don't chop. I have eaten. They don't start the match. They started the match. Did you see how it's going? So don't is you see that most of the things I'm saying here, they are all past tense. What have happened? I don't chop. I don't bath. They don't start the match. Don't is you. So I depends on the individual. I beg, I not be English student, but hope you are following. Before I go on to give you other everyday examples, leave don in the comments, D-O-N. Put it in the comments so I'll know that you are following what I'm teaching. Now let me give you some other real life examples. Number one, I don't bath. I have taken my bath. He don't go or she don't go. It means he has left. We don't pay. We've already paid. You don't try. You try. Now let me give you a common Pidgin mistake that always bring wahala. Like it always cause wahala for people they try to learn Pidgin English. In short, some of us they mistake and so I got point I have to bring it out so you see it. When people say I don't know, they actually feel like it means I don't know in Pidgin, but that's not correct. Yes, that is not correct. People make this mistake oftentimes. When someone says I don't know, they think the Pidgin word is I don't know, but no, the Pidgin word for I don't know is I know no. I know no. I know no, not I don't know. I don't know I know no more. I talked about it in my other video. Yes, everyday Pidgin expressions, you can check it out. So don is used for past, while no is used for negative. I know no. I don't know. I don't bath. I don't chop. I don't know. Do you see where I'm going? Let's do a quick test. I'm going to say the English word and you're going to translate it in Pidgin. Number one, I have started the movie. I have started the movie. Remember to leave your answer in the comment section. I have started the movie. She has gone home. She has gone home. I have seen it. I have seen it. Okay, good luck. So next time when you hear I don't chop, don't think the person is refusing food like I don't chop. No, it simply means they've eaten. I'm going to be dropping a PDF on this topic. Yes, it's completely free, so you can always go back to it instead of going back to my videos. Whenever you're not online, you can look at the PDF offline for this. Yay! Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, share it to your foreign friends, share it to your Nigerian friends, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. No wahala.